So as we said there, we had a bit of a discussion there about all those kind of memories, but what you've got to remember is registers. Really fast, higher cost, yes. Oh, sorry. Really fast, higher cost, and down here you've got your remote secondary storage, or traditional disk like hard drives and secondary storage drives. They're slower, bigger, lower cost. So, and I've gone off to a different thing there that I didn't. And get back in here. Oh, here, next page. Right, the bus. So the BUS that you'd remember in national school there. In practice, most of the computer memory is separate to the CPU. So that's what happens. You kind of cache and registers are on the processing unit, but most of the computer memory is separate to it, and then you bring it into into RAM and that. However, the CPU must be able to fetch data and instructions, piece of the program, from memory in order to carry out the instructions which operate on the data. So it's like it goes and it fetches it, it brings it back, it executes it, goes and fetches more data, executes it, and maybe stores the results of those instructions somewhere. This means that the CPU and memory must be connected, and this is achieved with a bus. A bus is a term for a communication channel that normally carries data between computer components internally. Simply put, a bus is a collection of wires that transfers data from A to B. Now, I think that's an important line there, and you should take it down, an important couple of lines. So these two lines here, now the reason I'm asking you to take them down is it's easier to remember RAM and ROM. But when things like bus, you'll be like, oh, I forget that. So please take that down.